Hey everyone, welcome to the Dunkin' Donuts Test Kitchen. I'm Executive Chef Stan Frankenthaler. What I'd like to talk about today are smart swaps around the menu. You know, there's a couple of things that I've really learned from listening to our customers. One of those is that, well, we all have a little bit of a different concern when we're looking at making better for you choices. You know, mine might be overall calories, but my friend might be concerned about reducing sugar or reducing fat. The other thing I learned is that nobody wants to give up good taste. And that's especially true for me and all of our chefs here at Dunkin' Donuts. We are really determined that everything we offer on our menu tastes great. Let's dive a little deeper into this idea of smart swaps. And let's think about breakfast sandwiches because it's a great place to start. There's a lot of opportunity there if you really think about it, that you could swap a few items and compose a breakfast sandwich that's truly better for you. Lean proteins is something to think about. Look for a sandwich that offers you ham or turkey sausage. That's a great swap. At Dunkin' Donuts, we build all of our egg white sandwiches with a reduced fat cheddar cheese. That's another great swap. And you know what's important about a breakfast sandwich too? Is the bread. The bread really matters. It always does. You can opt for something like a multigrain bagel or an English muffin, or you can go with our multigrain flatbread. And all of our wake-up wraps are built with tortillas. So you can see how, just by doing a little smart swapping, you can look for those better for you choices. If you're a fan of bakery, try a reduced fat blueberry muffin. One of the things I love a lot about our blueberry muffins is just how many blueberries they have in them. I think we squeeze about as many blueberries in there as you can possibly get in a muffin, and this recipe is reduced fat. So you've got a smart swap there as well. I'd love to take another question from one of our Facebook fans. Mary Angel from Florida is writing in with a great question about our multigrain bagel. She's asking, why is the multigrain bagel on the DD Smart menu when it has higher calories than some of the other bagels that we offer in our shop? The answer is that those calories are what's thought of as productive calories. So we're all moving towards more whole grain, more multigrain, more whole wheat. Those ingredients come with great protein counts, but these higher calories, these productive calories. 14 grams of protein in our multigrain bagel. It tastes great. It's a personal favorite of mine. I love the way the grains give this nutty flavor to the bagel. One of the things that I do now is I go for our reduced fat cream cheese. And this is something that you could choose too in our store. We have many flavors. So the next time you go visit a Dunkin' Donuts store, try making a smart swap.